come at me, salad. You taste so good. Salad, I've missed you. Healthy. I missed you. Missed you. So it is the day after the 20k and I'm prepping lunch because I'm actually hungry. So for lunch we have 12 pork and onion pork and honey chipolatas with some root vegetable mash and of course my beloved salad. Never again will I take a feeling of hunger and eating healthy food for granted. A salad actually tastes so good. That's better. So, had a shower, had a shave, feel like I've actually washed the 20k challenge off me now, starting to feel a little bit more normal again. Holding so much water, it's untrue, I feel really wobbly. But thank God that is over and done. Video's all scheduled, so hopefully by the time you watch this one, which will be Friday night, you will have seen Thursday night, which would have been 20k. So anyway, I've got some admin to crack on with, got some babies to feed in a minute, and a class to prepare for tonight. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Oh, is he your baby? He's a big baby. Look at that face. Adorable. You're really enjoying The Good Dinosaur, aren't you? Hey, are you liking this film? Yeah? Smile. Smile. And what are we doing here? Your baby. Hey, your baby. And that's the introduction from William. So, just turned 6:15 on a Thursday night, which means only one thing. It's time for Moyse's freestyle. And thank God my appetite has returned to normal from a psychological perspective as well. It's almost like the 20k, well, as you know now know, it wasn't 20k, but it's almost like my food challenge yesterday never happened. Head's back to normal again. I've managed to eat a decent amount of food today and actually feeling nice and hungry. So in terms of the effect psychologically, thankfully, it's fucked off. So that means I've got a lot of energy, because I slept well last night too. A lot of energy to give to this lot. Freestyle done, now time for a pull workout. Right, today, let's talk about treats. I've had a good weekend, I'm gonna treat myself. Or, you know what, I lost a pound this week, I'm gonna treat myself. On what basis are you saying that you deserve a treat? Firstly, you're not a dog. Why are you rewarding yourself with food? Secondly, you've only lost a pound. You could wander into your bathroom, push really hard, and drop a pound very, very quickly, if you know what I'm talking about. Once you've begun losing a pound or 2 pound week after week after week, and you've been consistent, not just in the way that you are losing, but in the methods that you are using to lose that weight, i.e. tracking your nutrition or being mindful of your nutrition at least, doing exercise and doing both of those things consistently, only then after you've lost a good amount of weight and you've put a good amount of effort into something, should you then treat yourself. And perhaps then, maybe you shouldn't lean towards a food treat, you know, the reason that you probably put on the weight in the first place. Perhaps lean towards some other treat, like treating yourself to a new outfit, or treating yourself to some new gym gear, or maybe a day out, a trip to the cinema, for example. So many people treat themselves when they don't truly deserve to be treated yet, because you haven't earned it, you haven't done the work. Having this treat yourself mentality is only going to lead you down one route. So you're going to lose a pound, gain a pound, lose a pound, gain 2 pounds, and suddenly you're going to find yourself heavier despite the fact that you've been treating yourself for doing well. So a top tip, don't reward results, reward effort. Reward the effort you put in. Once you've spent 6-8 weeks pushing hard with regard to your diet, pushing hard with regard to your exercise, then maybe treat yourself. But definitely don't do it with food. So there we go, folks. Today's video done and dusted. Hopefully you enjoyed yesterday's one of the, well, I can't really call it the 20k challenge anymore, can I? But although in that video I said that I would never attempt something like that again, having now learned my shortfalls with regards to that day, let's not say never. Perhaps if there's enough likes and enough views on that video, I might be swayed towards attempting it for a second time and trying to at least clear the 15k mark. I think I know where I went wrong, so we'll see. But that's not going to at least be for a couple of months anyway. I've got to finish off my daddy deficit and get straight back onto that one going forwards, because we still got some fat to lose and Florida is only 6 weeks away, so we've got a lot of work that needs to be done. But as I said, thank you ever so much for watching these videos. Hopefully you enjoy them, a little insight into my life, and hopefully I can educate you guys at the same time. If you're watching it on YouTube, then please give my channel a little subscribe. That way you find out the moment there are new videos, and of course helps me move my way up the YouTube rankings. If you're watching this on Facebook, then please hit the share button, and thank you ever so much for watching. I will see you guys over the weekend. Enjoy your Fridays.